update. You guys have blessed us not only with good amount of bookings for BE6, and we are happy to say that this is the first car in Chennai which you guys will be seeing. Delivery starts 14th of February. For our customers who have booked, your cars are on the way. You will see this beauty in few minutes. So I don't want to bore you with long speeches. I will allow the evening to flow. And thank you once again to bless us. Thank you.
I'm from Kumbakonam. It's a very emotional moment because for a lot of reasons, I will come to that at the end. So first thing, 2024, when everything was going on a smooth thing, EV, suddenly Mahindra, a lot of people started talking, what is Mahindra doing? So is it possible even? So I am just referring to when we launched BE6 and 9E and all those marketing promotions video you would have seen which we did on the racetrack. And then again there was a discussion what about the pricing. When the pricing came, the top end was almost 30 lakhs. So when the entire industry was thinking EV 30 lakhs product யாராச்சும் வாங்குவாங்களா அப்படிங்கும்போது ஒரு 30 லட்ச ரூபாய் ப்ராடக்ட் 7 மாசத்துல 30,000 வண்டி வித்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா that shows the level of confidence from the customers, and a big thanks for all of you first of all who have gathered here. And when I talk about that, definitely இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் from the market இருக்கும்போது அதை கொஞ்சம் கூட வந்துட்டு பிசிறு தட்டாமன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அழகா வந்துட்டு அதை கவனிச்சு ப்ராப்பரா வந்துட்டு கஸ்டமர்ஸுக்கு தேவையானதை செஞ்ச in the entire dealership team. Today we are in Jubilant, but this goes to all dealerships, and thanks to all our dealer partners, the dealer employees, big thanks to you all. Again, this is definitely not possible with your support, without your support. And third thing, I would like to sincerely thank Mahindra senior management team for providing a first class benchmark, marvel, you name it, anything. ஒரு flawless product in the price range in EV segment, breaking all the myths. ஏன்னா EV ன்னு வரும்போது வண்டி வந்துட்டு ரோட்ல நின்னுச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்ற கேள்வியே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா nobody is going to drive more than 400 kilometers in a day. கண்டிப்பா I'm sure you will accept it. And in the situation single charge 500 kilometers real world range, not I'm just quoting any data, and this is tested, proven by our customers not only in Tamil Nadu, across all the cities pan India. So we can confidently say, we can proudly say that that you are owning Mahindra product, and we are part of Mahindra. It's a Mahindra family event, and thanks to our management for providing such a wonderful product. Now thanks to Jubilant for organizing a wonderful event like this, and the first dealership where in entire Tamil Nadu we are doing Formula E launch. Thanks to you sir, thanks to Ashish ji, and thanks to entire dealer partner. I know that many of the customers are porumba nipaattunga vandiye kaamingindradhu enakku puriyudhu, but I will quickly wrap up. Everybody is aware today, ஏன்னா மோஸ்ட்லி யாருக்குமே தெரியாத விஷயம் இல்லை. இன்னைக்கு BE6 9E யாருக்குமே அவேர்னஸ் அப்படின்றது ஒரு துளி கூட கன்சர்ன் கிடையாது. Everybody is aware about these two marvel already, and we recently launched 9S as well. It's a e-SUV 7-seater, and on the same Inclo pure born electric platform. On the same platform, again before Formula E, everybody would have noticed Batman edition BE6. A product, imagine a product, only 1,000 vehicles, 999 vehicles available, within 135 seconds it got booked. So that's a wonderful news, and we have in fact delivered also. And similarly, now we have Formula E. This is nothing but again one more marvel. என்ன இதில் புதுசு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் அ பியூர்லி as you can see first Formula E themed special edition SUV. Who is operating? So without any further delay, I will just quickly say what exactly is new. B6 and 9e, unlike those two products, this is purely a race vehicle themed inspired product. So Formula E la vandu pathina Mahindra last 12 seasons வந்து associated ஆயிருக்கு. That's why as you can see I have few slides to show it to you. There are certain elements which actually speak for itself. There are 12 striped graphics on the bonnet and on the roof as well. This is representation or this means our association for 12 seasons with Formula E. And similarly on the windshield you can see Formula E ceramic painted on the windshield, and this is another beauty of it. And let it be R20 20-inch alloy wheels which we have. That is also racetrack themed. And similarly you have lot of black and orange themed interiors. Can we go to the interiors? Yeah. So you can see the interiors which is having a color accent of firestorm orange and black. You can see a plaque which has FIA brother Federation who generally monitors the Formula E and Grand Prix events. So similarly you can see even the button push start stop button kuda vandu pathina oru open flap type la irukum. So whoever is going to use this vehicle are definitely going to be satisfied in terms of those race enthusiasts and who were longing for such a wonderful vehicle. So here it is for you, and there are some assured benefits also we have. So in the vehicle book பண்றீங்க ஓகே, பட் ஏன் வந்துட்டு சீக்கிரமா புக் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு கேக்குறவங்களுக்கு ஒரு சில ஆன்சர்ஸ். So there are some assured rewards which we are giving along with the vehicles, not for everybody. First 999 customers. What is that first reward? You are as a customer among the first 999 owners, they are going to live a day as a Formula E racer on the track with Pushpani. Pushpani is our Formula E driver who is driving for our Mahindra vehicle. The next reward, it's a customized memorabilia. It is going to be a hamper with a lot of goodies in it, purely branded in terms of P6 Formula E edition. And then the next reward is going to be your exclusive delivery moment. So we are going to capture in a very professional way your delivery and video content. And another reward is going to be the identity. What is that identity? As a person, I may be interested in having a special number. So that special number is going to come as a decal on your rear door. And another important, very special benefit, all the names of these 999 customers are going to be on the car which is going to race in London E-Prix event. So not only that, there are additional exclusive benefits for 3 lucky winners among these 999 customers. So you are going to have if you are going to be a winner among them, you are going to have an exclusive day with our Mahindra Advanced Design Europe, and you are going to witness the Formula E race event